If you've been searching online for menopause supplements, you may have come across a product called Her Again by Nova. It's marketed as a breakthrough natural solution for women going through menopause, claiming to address hormonal imbalance and bring back energy, comfort, and confidence. On their website, the product is described as being able to boost estrogen and GLP-1 levels using probiotics, botanicals, and anti-inflammatory ingredients. They say it can ease hot flushes, joint pain, sugar cravings, and even stubborn weight gain. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now let's go through some of the major concerns. The first big red flag is overstated clinical claims. The company says their probiotic strain, Elgasari, is clinically proven to boost both estrogen and GLP-1 levels. But there's no solid scientific or peer-reviewed evidence showing that probiotics can restore estrogen or meaningfully raise GLP-1 in the same way prescription medications do. GLP-1 increasers like Ozempic are highly regulated drugs, not over-the-counter supplements. Suggesting that a capsule can reset hormones or restore GLP-1 naturally is scientifically unrealistic. The second red flag is the promise of miracle-like benefits in a short time. Their marketing says you'll see results in 2 weeks, lose up to 20 pounds in 2 months, and feel younger within weeks. They also list improvements like hot flushes gone, cravings crushed, weight lost, and joint pain relieved all at once. Supplements rarely work this dramatically, and such promises should always make you cautious. Another concern is with the company's origins. While the product is labeled as made in the UK, the business address given is actually in Australia. This mismatch creates confusion and raises questions about accountability and where the business is truly based. I also checked their terms of service page, and what I found was concerning. They clearly state they are not responsible if the information on their site is inaccurate, incomplete, or outdated. This basically allows them to make bold claims about the product without taking responsibility. They also include a clause saying they do not guarantee the quality or effectiveness of their products. So if it doesn't work as promised, that's essentially your problem. To make things worse, their legal page has placeholders like Fred Sits Business Address It and Fred Business Registration Number left. That's a huge red flag, showing a lack of transparency and possibly even an unregistered business. Now about the reviews. On their website and even on Trustpilot, you'll see plenty of glowing 5-star reviews. But when you look closer, almost every reviewer has only posted 1 review in total, which is a common sign of fake accounts. The writing style is repetitive. It follows the same pattern: short intro about their problem, a dramatic turnaround, and an emotional happy ending. The reviews are also posted very close together in time, like within hours or days, which looks more like a coordinated schedule than genuine customer feedback. And many claim dramatic changes in just weeks, which is unrealistic for natural supplements. Now, there are also a few negative reviews that stand out. One person said the supplement made them feel bloated and nauseous. Another called it a scam after struggling to cancel their order, only to be told it was too late. Another mentioned they didn't see any weight difference at all, and that their cravings actually got worse. So is Nova's Her Again legit or a scam? At the end of the day, it's on you to decide. What I've shared are the red flags and questionable claims that you should be aware of before spending your money. My personal advice is to always consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially ones that make bold hormone-related promises. I'm not saying this company is 100% a scam, but I am saying you need to be very cautious and not get carried away by flashy marketing or glowing reviews.